In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Hostinger Learning Lab step by step so you can quickly find helpful learning resources right inside your Hostinger account. If you use Hostinger and want to learn more about web hosting, websites, domains, or account features, this is a simple feature that can save you a lot of time. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Now let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the top area of the screen and find your profile icon. This is usually where Hostinger keeps account options and extra tools. Click on that profile icon to open the drop-down menu. From the list that appears, look for Learning Lab and select it. This will take you into Hostinger's learning section where you can browse different topics and guides. After that, choose the topic you want to learn about. You might see options related to hosting, websites, domains, or other useful features depending on your account and what Hostinger currently offers. Click the topic that matches what you want to study. Once you open it, you can start reading the learning material right away. Take your time going through the content and use it to better understand the platform and improve how you manage your website or hosting setup. If you want, you can come back later and explore more topics as you continue learning. And that's it. You've now learned how to access Hostinger Learning Lab. It only takes a few clicks, but it can be a really useful place to build your knowledge and get more comfortable with the platform. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.